Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your project workflow in Asana for marketing teams, full guide step by step clearly.
Begin by logging into your Asana account.
Navigate to your project dashboard where your marketing team's projects are listed.
Select the project you wish to verify.
Once in the project view, review the tasks that have been assigned to team members. Click on each task to check its description and any attached files.
Ensure the deadlines are set for each task. Confirm that each task has the correct assignee.
Next, look at the project timeline or calendar view. Ensure all tasks align with your project deadlines.
Check for any dependencies between tasks that may impact timelines.
Make notes of tasks that may require additional resources. Discuss these notes with your team members during your next meeting.
Return to the task list and verify the status of each task.
Look for updates from team members on task progress.
Evaluate whether any tasks are overdue or at risk of falling behind. Adjust timelines or reassign tasks as necessary to keep the project on track.
Finally, gather feedback from your team on the workflow process. Use this feedback to improve future project planning and execution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current.
If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection.
Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.